Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript. Subtract one number from another with JavaScript. We can also subtract one number from another. JavaScript uses the hyphen symbol for subtraction. My_var equal to 12 hyphen 6 or minus 6. Assign 6 value. So my_var will be 6 after the operation. The task for this challenge, change the 0 so that the difference is 12. So var difference right now is 45 minus 0. So we have to bring it down to 12. So what we will do, we will subtract 33 from this and it should bring the value to the 12. So run the test and it's successful. Download my solution. And thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.